The foolish thief. One day, a wealthy man came to Akbar's court, in hope to get help from Birbal. The man suspected that one of his servants had stolen from him. The clever Birbal thought of a plan, and gave all the merchant's servants sticks of the same length. He also told them that the stick will grow 3 inches by tomorrow, if they were the thief. The next day, all the servants gathered around Birbal. He noticed that one of the servants' sticks was 3 inches shorter than the others. Birbal immediately understood who the thief was. The thief had cut the stick shorter by 3 inches, as he thought it would grow 3 inches. Because of this, his guilt was proven. Moral of the story is the truth will always come out, one way or another, so better to be truthful from the beginning.